Alrighty guys, we're gonna tinker with the Grom clone today. We're gonna put a new little light on, got the brand new Grom clone. And we're gonna do the integrated tail light switch and get rid of this old ugly thing there. You know, the first thing you do when you get a brand new motorcycle is you take this ugly thing off here, get you an integrated tail light. My little co-pilot here, she's gonna help me. And then of course you get rid of that old muffler. That old muffler is ugly. But anyway, first thing you want to do, got a little tutu. First thing you want to do is, of course, get rid of that thing. So that's what we're going to do today. Anyway, let's do it. All right, first things first, pop the seat off. Okay, seat, co-pilot. We'll just take a look at this light real quick. Of course, you got your little relay right there you got to put on. That joker looks scratched up.
Let me see.
Take a look at the light right here. This is the little light that's going in.
But
what do you think about that, co-pilot? Of course, this is a relay you got to use with it. What else comes in the box? Got this little quick connect looking thing here.
Oh, I fixed it.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, good job, baby.
Look.
You're just a regular Bob the Builder, aren't you?
Look.
I see that. Okay. And then you got these, of course, you got these two little screws here. You're going to pop them off. And then
How can we pop
you got
those
the
off?
electric lines here. But anyway, we'll go ahead and unscrew that. And we'll figure out how we get this big old thing off here.
It's going to have so much fun.
There you go.
We didn't ride it yet.
Just like that. She's 4 years old, boys. 4 years old. There you go. Just like that. If she can do it, we can all do it, boys. You're doing a good job, baby. And don't forget your beer, boys. We don't be drinking Bud Light around here. Do we, Masters? That's right.
But
Okay, got the light out. All that is 3 little wires there. You got the yellow, green, brown, and then regular green. There you go, just like that. There you go. There you go. Alright, let's see what we got. There it is, boys. Just unplug a few wires. Got my co-pilot. She wanted me to tell y'all that. Right, baby?
no, a pirate.
Oh, a pirate. Okay. I got my co-pirate with me. Alright. What do you think about it, Masters?
Good.
Looking good? Alright, here we go. Alright, guys. So it kind of got late on me, but we got everything buttoned up, and I kind of wanted to show you guys how I got these wires hooked up. So you got this. You got this main thing here. This is the light wires. Okay. All these here are the light wires. Okay, so you got basically got the green. You got the 2 yellows. The 2 yellows go to the blue. One yellow goes to the blue. 1 yellow goes to the orange. I ran the green and connected it to the green. There's a couple greens and they all worked, but I just picked one, connected it into the green there on the bike side. And then the black, I ran it to the black on the bike wires. And then, see here, we got this green and yellow. And then I ran it to the green and yellow one. Okay. I already talked about the 2 yellows. The 2 yellows they go to the orange and the blue. Those are the turn signals. If they're backwards, well then you just flop them around. No big deal. And again, the green connecting to the green. And then the black to the black. What else? That's it? Yep. Green and yellow to green and yellow. I just hooked them up like that way, guys, and it just worked. And it just worked. And I did not use that relay that it came with. It came with a relay, and and didn't really need it. So yeah, so I didn't use it. But anyway, so that's it on the light, and I appreciate y'all watching. But before we end this thing, we'll show you some back shots. See what you think about it. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Till next time.